Glarus went a little over 20 years being only in bottles, and we decided a couple of years ago that it made sense to start canning our beer. Prior to this project, we had never had beer in cans ever. And so we went looking for a way to put beer in cans. We were able to put together a can package that is made entirely in Wisconsin, from the beer to the packaging to the actual machine that even puts the beer in the can, which is something we're really proud of. And then we needed someone to put the rest of the line together for us, and eventually we landed on Hartness.
And at a trade show in Chicago, Doug O'Brien stopped by, and later on we called him up and said, hey, we want you to come for a solid meeting here, and we're going to put this plan together for a can line. And so through that collaboration, we were able to develop a really cool can line with robots, a can decal, a can palletizing cell that's fully automated, along with an HTW wraparound packer, which makes a nice 12-can pack. And it was a really good affair, because we did everything from floor drain design all the way up through the final electrical and process equipment design. So Hartness was very good at that. The HTW is a nice machine. It's simple, it's straightforward. It's a wonderful machine. It just runs and runs and runs. Martin was up here and did a nice job setting it up, and you know, we've had really good support too. That's one of the nice things is, hey, we're getting this set up, you're not here. I send you a video. Oh yeah, look at these 2 or 3 parameters. Great, away we go. Show them a video and say, hey, it's doing this, you know, what should we be looking at? And we could go back and we could fix it, adjust it, or whatever. So it was a really nice way to give feedback from both directions.
We saw huge benefits both for the product and for the environment to start going to cans, which is something we were excited about. As far as Hartness goes, in addition to having a real limited footprint to put the line, we also had really strict timelines. Our project was really a 6-month project, maybe 8 months at most, so we were really under the gun, and Hartness was able to meet that timeline without any questions at all. But getting them up in time for the summer, you know, on that short timeline so that we were able to launch in the summer was important to us, and Hartness was able to do that, and as a result of that, we're the best-selling craft beer can in the state. For us, it's just as important that we feel like we're working with people that know what they're doing and that we can trust and that we're getting a fair price from. And we felt with Hartness that that's what we were getting. We were getting exceptional people who were full of integrity, who gave us a price which is something they were able to meet, and a timeline that they were able to meet, and made promises on the engineering end that they were able to satisfy. And that's really what we asked for, is come in, do what you say you can do for the price you can do it, and get it done on time. And Hartness was able to do that at every step of the way.
I would recommend Hartness to others. The whole project team was good. Everything along the lines was excellent, right down to the technicians and the equipment themselves. It's a fascinating thing. It's excellent, and yes, I would truly recommend Hartness to somebody else.